Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to access old Samsung Smart TV service menu. This hidden service menu can be accessed through a secret code. You can do many settings like display, sound, network and perform a factory reset which is not present in the normal menu. Now I'll show you how to open this service menu. First of all, put your TV in standby from remote power button. Now press the following key combination without any pause. Info, setting, mute and power key. Info, setting, mute and power key. Service menu will appear on screen. You can perform any setting, but remember to take pictures of default values. If you put wrong value, then your TV may not work. Hope this video helps. Like it and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.